Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sweet Start Candle YouTube channel, and today we're going to be making a Dubai chocolate bar inspired wax melt. So for step 1, I'm going to measure out about 2 centimeters of wax into each of these pitchers. One is going to be yellow and one is going to be green. You can pick whatever colors you want, but this is going to be the drizzle on top of our chocolate bar. So this one on the right is going to be my yellow color. So I'm going to add 1 drop of liquid yellow candle dye. And the one on the left is going to be my green color. So I'm going to add 1 drop of yellow to that. And I'm also going to add 1 drop of blue. I'm also going to add some mica powder, so our wax melt will sparkle. I'll link down below going to these candle dyes as well as this mica powder. And I'm going to take, this is a 1/64 teaspoon measuring spoon, so I'm going to add about half of this to each one of these. So while my yellow and green wax are melting, I'm going to get my clamshell ready. These are the extra large clamshells from Aztec Candle Supply. They're about double the size of normal wax melts, and this allows us to add a lot more detail to the bottom of the clamshell where we would see the design. I'm also going to grab 2 pipettes, one for the yellow and one for the green, so we can pipette our design on the bottom of our clamshell. So my green wax has fully melted, and I'm going to take my pipette and just draw the little lines on the bottom of the clamshell. So my yellow wax fully melted. I'm also going to drizzle this onto the bottom. I'm going to let this fully cool down, and then we can start on our chocolate. So my yellow and green wax has fully solidified, and I'm going to start making my brown wax. So for my brown wax, I'm going to need 5.4 ounces of wax melt wax. I'm going to get this melting. To this wax, I'm going to add 2 drops brown liquid candle dye. I'm also going to add 1/64 teaspoon of mica powder. So while my brown is melting, I'm actually going to add a little bit more mica powder to my clamshell. This is Grasshopper by Mad Micas. And I'm just going to add this so we have a little bit more color. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit into each of the cells of the clamshell. So once our brown wax has reached 200 degrees Fahrenheit, feel free to add any fragrance oil you want. I have a fragrance oil pop up right now that I think would be great for these, and I'll also have it linked down below. I'm going to let this cool to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and then it's ready to pour into the clamshell. So my brown wax has reached 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to pour over my pretty colors. I'm going to let my wax melt solidify and I'll be right back. I'll let my wax melt sit overnight and I'm going to pop it out of the clamshell. Thank you everyone for watching. Please give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe. I've got a sale on my website going on for the beginning of fall. I have sparkling candles and wax melts over there if you want to check it out. Thank you again for watching and I will see you next Thursday.